Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Hi, Tamara.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you so much for taking my call today. Thank you for agreeing to do a video for us. And I'm going to give a brief history. So Tamara started with Natural Transplants approximately 2.5, 3 years ago. And when you came here, you had almost no hairline. And we're going to show your before pictures from 2.5 years ago. And you did need 2 procedures. And I'm going to let you go from here.
Yes, so when I first came in with the first procedure, I was super nervous about it. I had been struggling with hair loss for many of years. I was so nervous to the point that I brought my fiance in and I didn't even want him to see what was going on. He had to step out the room. So after the first procedure, I'm just getting used to everything, getting adjusted. I took care of it. You gave me great directions on how to care for my hair. And I liked it, but I wanted to make sure it was fuller. So you did explain to me in the beginning that, I may need a second one, I may not, depending on just my hair. So naturally, I have thin hair, so I just decided to make that decision to get a second procedure, and I absolutely love it. I'm super happy that I got the second procedure because I did want to make sure my hair was a little bit fuller, especially my hairline. I know just from my story personally, I just want edges. I wanted edges. I want to be able to show my hair like this. This is the first time me ever having my hair out around the house even. So it has definitely been a wonderful experience. I have my confidence back. It's just crazy how 2.5, 3 years from when I first started to now, I can't stop smiling about everything. And I mean, it's just been the best decision that I've decided to make. It went from embarrassing and years of just, crying about it to, what do you know, it's just been a life changer for me. And so now I will be super confident to walk down the aisle in 2022. And it's thanks to you, Dr. Siegel. I really appreciate you just taking care of me along the way. You followed up with me, every couple of months. You're very personable. Anytime I had questions, you would answer them. I'll text you at any time of the day, and you would get back to me in the time's notice. So I really appreciate you making this experience and this journey just absolutely wonderful.
Thank you. That means so much to me, and I thank you so much for it. And I always have to say it's a team effort, so it's my team that also put forth their heart and soul, and we really, really enjoy what we do here. And, one of the things that you stated, and I always try to reinforce, is I have very fine, wispy, thin hair. And you had mentioned that you also have fine and wispy hair. And sometimes, even though a lot of our patients are able to have one procedure and get the final product with one procedure, there are a handful of our patients that second procedure goes ahead and takes them to the next level. It's like putting one coat of paint on the wall or doing the second coat of paint and really getting the final product. And in both my case and your case, that's how it works. And you look amazing. I'm going to have you go ahead and turn your head to one side and hold it there, and then turn your head to the other side so that everybody can really see what your results are. Absolutely amazing.
See that? That's wonderful.
No problem with your incision site.
Yes. It's kind of invisible, if you ask me. I don't know if you can, see it.
No, and usually you can't. That's the funny thing, is you usually cannot find... Oh, it's really just a pencil line. And then look up to the ceiling so we can look. So you can see where the actual small little incision site is there. Barely visible, unless you're really looking for it. And then let me see your left side.
And then here's the left side.
You look amazing. If you had to do it all over again, if you had no hair and you had never done a hair transplant before, would you recommend it to people?
Absolutely. No brainer. My only regret was waiting as long as I did to get it done. So I will go through it again. It's not as painful as I'd imagine it to be, once you get past the first couple of days, maybe a week, everything is good to go as long as you follow the doctor's instructions on how to care for your hair. It's really easy peasy from there.
You look amazing. I'm so glad we were able to do this follow-up phone call today and video. You still have my personal cell phone number. I would tell you to hold it in your phone forever, and if you ever need me, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here for you, and so happy that you got the results that makes you happy and more confident.
Absolutely. I have to send you pictures of the wedding and my hair.
You better send me pictures of the wedding.
Yes.
So I thank you so much. And again, I'm Dr. Harold Siegel with Natural Transplants. And if you ever have any questions, please call us regarding hair transplants.
All right. Thank you. Have a great one, Doctor.
You too. Thank you so much.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.